Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co chart of the day. Starting in the equity space, and very strong selling across the board in the equity space today, moving from the Dow 30, the very narrow high cap index, with the sellers taking control all the way through to the much broader and medium to smaller cap Russell 2000 stocks, finally closing in a strong bearish manner down through the Kijun-sen indicator today, suggesting quite some significant negativity in this market as well, which had previously been the market that had been holding up fairly strongly and trending up fairly strongly up until about a week or so ago. Just taking a closer look at the S&P 500, and today, importantly, the S&P 500 attempting to trade through the Tenkan-sen indicator and above the 2736 previous resistance level, and we have seen a very strong price rejection from there today. Also, a window opening at that area and holding as resistance as well, and the rejection from there has been rather solid with strong commitment from the sellers. Potential for support down at this 2694 level, and for tomorrow's trading, that level also interacts with the top of the cloud, so we could see some support hold up in this region. But importantly, if we do see the market close through that area, it could herald continued downside activity into the next week or so. Potential for support down at the bottom of the Ichimoku cloud, about the 2677 region. Just taking a quick look at the bands here, and previously you had the breakout down below the lower band, but today the market attempting to rally back within the bands and very strong price rejection from there. It does suggest that we certainly are set up for some stronger downtrending activity. If we look at previous times when the market has had this situation where we've moved down through the lower band, unable to close through there, and attempted rally to within the bands, and then the strong rejection, and the market ended up trading down to this 2560 level. 2560 is an area where we have seen the extent of trading in the past from about 2600 to 2560. So this gives us something of a target if the market can trade through the nearby support over the next few days of 2677. Now, just moving to the Dow 30, and the Dow 30, importantly, has been very much the weaker market in respect to the longer-term time frame, where the Dow 30 has been now trading down below the Ichimoku cloud for the past 3 trading days, and attempting to rally through the cloud and finding resistance at the 24534 level, but also up through the top of the cloud, and the rejection from there has been quite strong, suggesting that we now have a bit of strength in terms of negativity in all 3 timeframes. Importantly, if the market does close in a bearish manner down through 24101 support, then we are likely to see a move down towards 23602 and through 3485 with the Dow 30. If we do see any attempted rally, continue to watch for resistance to develop around the top of the cloud, just up above this previous support and resistance level at around the 24569 area. Just looking at the Nasdaq 100 and the Russell 2000, and both of those indicators trading down through the Kijun-sen as well over the previous couple of days. Important, the Russell 2000 now closing down through close by support, and that isn't something that we've seen in the other indices, so we are certainly seeing a lack of strength here in the Nasdaq 100, and this is the sector that really is, other than the Dow 30, is starting to pay for the selling that we're seeing across the equity space at the moment. Now, importantly, with the Nasdaq 100, with that bearish breakout down through that 7022 level, but more importantly, that round number 7,000, it does suggest that a bit of follow-through could easily see this market move down towards 6852, previous swing low, then possibly down towards the top of the cloud, where we are likely to find some solid support from about 6823 down to the bottom of the cloud, about the 6754 region. And then over to the Russell 2000, and this was the market that had been trending up fairly solidly up until about a week or so ago, but now trading in a bearish manner through the Kijun-sen indicator. Important support at 1639, previous resistance level, previous swing high, and then the next level down through here is the previous high, which acted as resistance, an area where we saw previous strong selling from, and then over about a month or so ago holding a support around that 1615 level. So that will be crucial over the next couple of days as a potential area of support.